Your car acts up, the dash lights go crazy, and you brace for a massive repair bill. But what if I told you there's a simple trick, often free, that can reset your car's electronics, clear phantom problems, and get your dash back to normal in just a few minutes? Today I'll show you the exact reset that pros use, why it works, and when it's safe to try at home. Let's save you money. Modern cars are basically computers on wheels. Sensors talk to modules, modules talk to each other, and sometimes the software just gets confused. A bad reading, a temporary glitch, or a stuck sensor can trigger warnings that aren't even real. So, after reconnecting the negative terminal, don't start the engine right away. Instead, insert the key and turn it to the on position, just so the dash lights come on, but leave the engine off. Leave it like that for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off, and repeat this process twice. Next, go ahead and start the engine, and let it idle for 2 to 3 minutes. This whole sequence helps the ECU recalibrate things like intake, idle, and sensor baselines. Vehicles with automatic transmissions or adaptive idle systems will often stabilize after you do this. Honestly, you might even notice smoother idling or a temporary improvement in drivability. If that soft reset didn't do the trick, here's what you should do next. Plug in an OBD-II scanner. Most auto parts stores will loan you one, or scan your car for free. Go ahead and read the codes, jot them down, and then clear the codes using the tool. If a code pops right back up, that's a sign there's a real issue, maybe with a sensor or the wiring. But if the codes stay gone and your symptoms disappear, well, congrats. You just avoided a needless repair. Hey, here's a quick pro tip. Before you go ahead and clear those codes, just snap a photo of the code list. If those problems come back later, your mechanic is really gonna thank you for having that info handy. Now, there are a few times when you definitely shouldn't use this trick. Like if your airbag light is on, never just reset and ignore it. Safety systems really need a proper diagnosis. Also, if you smell coolant or something burning, just stop right there and get professional help. If your engine is misfiring pretty badly or it's only running on 3 cylinders, a reset honestly won't save you. And if your car refuses to start after reconnecting the battery, you might have triggered an immobilizer. So, any bar sidistadra car bin savar bar en bom sken Kurdistan fudri guskurdi moan. Yundaindi moar dord ensure outwan sturi ni perburin stating moar durer dansta. So be burin sturdin sense and in duri ones. Trinatan set and bond to contact your dealer for that one. So, why exactly does this save you money? Well, there are countless cases where the dash lights up with a check engine or service required message just because of a temporary sensor hiccup or a software timeout. A proper reset often clears these transient errors. Instead of paying a diagnostic fee or even towing, you can simply reboot and test. It's fast, free, and repeatable. Alright, let's go over a quick safety checklist before you try this. First, make sure you park on flat ground and set the parking brake. Always wear gloves and eye protection when handling the battery. Remember, disconnect the negative terminal only. That's the black one. And don't touch both terminals at once. If you're unsure about anti-theft procedures, it's a good idea to use an OBD-II scan first, or consult your manual. If this little trick saved you some money, tap like and subscribe to Gear Specs. We'll keep on saving engines and wallets, one video at a time. Hey, comment below and let us know. What warning lights scared you the most? I'll make a follow-up video showing how to diagnose the 5 most common dash codes you can reset at home. And remember, drive smart, reboot